Hey everybody, welcome back to the Hillbilly Voodoo channel. I've recently been tasked by my mother for a dough bowl for Christmas. I'm like, Mom, holy crap, how much money do you have that you actually need a bowl to fill it? And she's like, no, dumbass, a dough bowl to put your dough in when your bread rises. I'm like, oh, okay. Anyways, I'm out here by the woodpile and I'm hunting for something to make a dough bowl out of. I don't even know what a dough bowl is, but apparently after some Pinterest stuff, a dough bowl is a long, narrow bowl that you put your bread dough in and you let it rise. Now, there's a piece of wood right there. Kind of looks like it maybe might be the size of a dough bowl. So we'll grab the saw and we'll start cutting on her. This thing's now hogged down into a shape that kind of looks like what I saw on Pinterest. This is the bottom. That'll be the top. It's got some nice spalting in it. It's a piece of birch. Hogged it all out, roughed it out with the chainsaw. And now we're gonna move to what's called a turbo plane. If you're into carving or any type of woodwork, roughing stuff out, these things are awesome. They take off a lot of material really quickly, and you can also make it fairly flat and precision. But they are dangerous as hell. You gotta hold on for dear life. This one's got the guard removed off of the grinder, but it works really, really quickly. And I'll start whacking this thing out of here a little bit more, and I'll bring you back and show you the results. Got the bottom all gnawed out here and flattened and rounded and looking like a bottom of a dough bowl, I guess. Next, we're gonna have to flip it over. Draw a line around the inside edge so we leave some meat. And start chunking out all the inside of this so it's an actual bowl, not just a slab of wood. Well, fortunately my mother likes the rustic look, so we're not going to have to do a whole lot of sanding or anything like that, and she wants it a dark color, so we'll probably burnish the wood itself with a torch. I'll get to chunking out the inside here and we'll see how far we get before this piece of wood splits in half and we have to start over again. Got this thing all chewed out here on the inside. Fairly deep, I guess, and I don't know, kind of looks like some type of caveman casserole dish here or something. You take your deer meat down to the neighbor's cave and show off your new bowl or something. But I think I'm gonna do some sanding on it so it doesn't look quite so rustic. And then we'll burnish it and see what the wood looks like after we get a little bit of brown to it. Got our bowl sanded down to a slightly less rustic state. And we're going to take the torch and we're going to burnish it and see what kind of color we come up with. The whole idea behind this is to kind of toast the wood, turn it a darker brown, and hopefully it'll burn off any of the picky wood, so if anybody decides to lick the bowl, they won't get slivers in their tongue. After I get this down to a fairly uniform color, I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like. That's that, people. One toasted up dark brown bread bowl. We cooked her to a nice even color and then put a bunch of beeswax on it. Shined her all up. I guess that's what a bread bowl is. I don't think she's ever going to use it for a bread bowl, but it'll be one of those rustic things that you put on the counter and put things in, and I guess it's supposed to be pretty or look pretty or something like that. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, all that other good YouTube stuff, and until next time.